Well, here I am back in my shop again. I know it looks a little bit messier even than the last time I was here because I brought stuff down from upstairs and I got this new computer desk for my son. So anyway, I wanted to do a little bit more sorting and tidying and cleaning, basically. So I'm gonna find a few more things that need to be taken up for a yard sale and just kind of tidy things up. Well, this is what I've done for today. As you can see, most of the stuff that was on the table, it's all been cleared off. I've also moved out some of the deck boards and railings that were underneath there. So now you can clearly see the laminate flooring there and the trunk, and I put the foam insulation there and there. So the foam insulation and the laminate flooring are designated for my son's apartment when we start renovating a little bit. And I did move the shelves over here. I'm going to put those in a yard sale. I picked up this nice computer desk thing for my son yesterday, so eventually that's going to go to his place. I'm hoping he comes by today so we can take the trunk and start getting his apartment a little organized. This is stuff I want to wash, freshen up the sheet, and it's like a brand new sheet and pillowcase, but they've been, tucked away in a bag, so they're kind of musty. I got some stuff for donation, and I got a few more things here to go in the yard sale. Christmas placemats and things. Yeah, and they're all clean. And I think there's a vase in there, and those are just like cooling packs. I'll probably just get those away for free if somebody actually wants them. But I'm going to take those up for the yard sale for the next one I end up having, probably at the end of the summer. So that's that. I just tried to I swept and wiped everything off. I've reorganized some of my deck stuff here. This is all deck screws and caps and everything that I was using for my deck. And eventually, if there's anything left over, I may either donate that to the restore, or if I have a yard sale first, I might put it in that. I don't know. I only have there's only the bases in that because I had to get new solar cap lights, and they fit on my old bases, so I didn't change them out. These are brand new door lock things, and look at the key with the keypad type of thing, like that, which I was going to use for some of my apartments, but then I changed my mind and I did not. And I may end up selling those too, probably online. I'd like to try and get my money back from them. I didn't pay full price, so I might have a chance. I know they're very expensive when they're not on sale. Even when they're on sale these days, everything's gone up, right? Yeah, those are things I think I want to keep. This mirror, I think I had decluttered it, but I was debating whether or not it might end up going in my son's apartment. So there's that. I tried to put like everything here on that table that couldn't go up to the yard sale eventually. Not today because I don't have the car down here to take it up, but it's got like coffee maker, brand new barbecue, feather pillow. This is a feather bed. Don't know if anybody would want to buy it. I might just put free on it. So if it was me, I would wash it because I just wouldn't trust anybody else's stuff like that. I haven't even touched, I haven't gone through my building stuff here, my tools or anything like that. I haven't really done anything with my Musterio, so I did put the extra paint tray back up just to tidy it up, and I swept the floor a little bit just on this side. This side, I've kind of run out of steam here, and I was starting my metal salvage. There's some stuff to go to the dump, the hazardous waste. And then I think it'll be a lot easier for me too when I get back here and I can start pulling some stuff out. And I'm hoping that I find my skates, because they seem to have went missing. My ice skates I haven't used in a couple of years because I couldn't find them at all this year. I got my son's skates up there, but I don't know where mine are. So anyway, this is going to be another day. Anyway, okay, I'm kind of hot and tired, and I think I'm just going to call it a day. So this is what? Part 3 of my shop clean out.